Okay, this is a test. I'm recording tutoring class, and I was going to start with 3-77. It says, for each of the polygons formed by the algebra tiles below, sketch and label the shape on your paper and write an expression that represents the perimeter. So we got to sketch it, write an expression for the perimeter, and then simplify your perimeter expression as much as possible. So we'll start out by sketching the first shape. Let's say A. Let's label it. 3-77 A. I'll sketch it. Let's say it has the X. That's a 1 tile right there. And the Y. That looks like a 1 tile again. There's an X. Okay, so sketch and label the shape. Okay, so I should label it. Let's use red. So I have to find a perimeter, so I'm going to go around, and I know the distance. I'm going to start right here. I always start somewhere, and I go around the circle until I get back where I started again. So this will be X. From there to there's 1. That's Y. 1. X. And what's that? It's 1. Alright, and that's X. I'm going around. Starting here, go all the way around. That's 1. That's Y. That's 1. X. And don't stop yet, I gotta go over here. That's 1. So what do I have? I have X plus 1 plus Y plus 1 plus X plus 1 plus X plus 1 plus Y plus 1 plus X plus 1. I'll bet you there's a simpler way to do that, but this is one way to do it. For each of the polygons formed by the algebra tiles below, sketch. Okay, I sketched it. Label. I already labeled it. Write an expression. Well, that's actually that's an expression. And then the second part says simplify your perimeter expression as much as possible. So now I'm going to simplify it. So I like to just grab all my X's. There's 1, 2, 3. Seems like there's 4 X's. It's called combining like terms. I'm going to cross them out now so I don't try to look at them again. And then let's grab the Y's. There's 1 Y. Looks like there's only 2 Y's. Get rid of those. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think that's all for letter A. And then we start all over for letter B.